Ogochimere means the thing that God's favor did for me. Jasmine says she likes that name a lot. But then she got a little bit more curious. She asked, if I give my daughter the name Ogochimere, what type of personality traits will that give her? So then her ancestor looked at her and said, that's a great question. Ogochimere's names give them the power to be optimistic, easy to talk to, and be great gift givers. Since they are very appreciative of the gifts that God gives them, they can always think of the perfect gift to give their loved ones on special occasions. Jasmine said she likes that name a lot. She remembered